Hey, this is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks. I'm going to show you how to set up the IAtak Inflatable Fishing Kayak from Wilderness Systems. Take the seat off. You'll notice the seat doesn't go in the bag. Take everything else out of the bag, unroll the kayak, and then if you wish to install the accessory frame system, install it before you inflate the kayak, particularly the deck of the kayak. It's very difficult to get in when the kayak's at full pressure. However, it's optional. Then you want to start the inflation process. 10 to 12 psi is recommended, 10 if you're a bit lighter, 12 if you're a bit heavier. Definitely get an electric pump for this kayak. It's huge and it's high pressure. It's a lot of work with a hand pump. If you want to put in the foot pegs help you brace your feet so that you can use your whole body in the paddling motion, but they are optional. If you want to put them in, definitely put them in before you inflate the deck. Again, it's really difficult with the tension once the deck's inflated. And definitely clip the seat in. That way, if you inadvertently flip the kayak, this really great ergo seat doesn't end up at the bottom of the lake. You want to pop the valve caps on. The valves do hold the air already, but the caps give you that fail safe. And definitely put the fin in for this kayak unless you're in really shallow water. It really helps with the tracking. If you have any questions how to set up and get going with the IAtak Inflatable Fishing Kayak from Wilderness Systems, please get in touch. This is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks.